Hare Krishna students. Today we are going to read chapter 2 Ditiyah Pathah means chapter 2. And what is the name of chapter 2? In your Sanskrit book, see, everyone please open page number 19. Okay, see the name Satah Kakah. What is the name? Satah Kakah. That means that fraud crow. Satah Kakah means fraud crow. Okay, now let's see the meaning. Okay, Horinah Kakah cha mitre stah. Harinah Kakah. Harinah means deer. Kakah means crow. Cha means and. Mitra means friend. So the deer and crow are friends. So deer and crow both are the friends. Okay. Now see the next line. तो स्वयं किसी कार्याय तो means they too स्वयं कृषि कार्याय तत्परो स्तः तो means they too स्वयं means own किसी कार्याय means for the agriculture work तत्परो स्तः that means they come forward. So let's see the meaning. तो स्वयं किसी कार्याय तत्परो स्तः that means they too come forward, they too come forward to do the agricultural work. Okay, they will do agricultural work like a farmer. So interesting na this story. So let's see next. Agachcha mitra. This deer is telling. Agachcha mitra. That means come friend. Bijan bapavaha. That means let's plant the seeds. Let's plant the seeds. Bijan means seeds. Okay. The deer is asking to the crow to come and let's plant the seeds. Okay. Now next. Now crow is telling. Okay. Esaha agachami. Friend crow. Sorry. His friend crow is telling. I am coming. Agachami means coming. Momo kaki. Momo means my. Momo kaki. Kakah strilinga is kaki. That means his wife. He is telling about his wife. That means about the female crow he is telling. Momo kaki atra nasti. But my wife is not here. I am coming. But my wife is not here. Twang chalo. You can go. Means he is showing that he want to come. I am coming. But my wife is not here. You can go. Okay, he is showing like this. So his wife is not here. That's why he cannot go. That's why he is telling, I am going. You can go. Like this. Okay. Now next. Now see the next line. Mitra kaak. Chalo. Sasyam sinchavaha. Again his friend deer came and he is calling this crow. Mitra kaaka. Chalo sayam sinchavaha. That means friend crow, come. Let's start the irrigating. Irrigating means sinchan. That means giving water. Or you can say farming. Okay. Shasang sinchavaha. So let's start the irrigating. Okay. Now this crow is telling, Twang sincha, ahang vedhang pachyami. That means, you start the irrigating. I am checking whether hunter is coming. Actually, he is too much lazy. he is doing again and again some bahana and saying, you start the irrigating. I'm checking whether hunter is coming. He is telling like this. So now go to page number 20. Okay. Now see. Agaccha Shashang Lunibah. That means again this deer only telling. Okay. Agaccha Shashang Lunibah. That means come. Let's cut the grain. Now all grain are growing up. Now it is the time to cut the grain. That's why he is calling his friend. Agaccha Shasham Lunibah. That means friend crow, come. Again he is telling, come, let's cut the grain. Now he Ahong Brikhatah Evo Singhang Pashyami. I am watching from the tree whether lion is coming. That time he is telling whether hunter is coming, and now he is doing bahana about the lion. I am watching from the tree whether lion is coming. That means ahong brikhatah. Brikhatah means from the tree. Okay, from the tree. And ahong means I. So I am, and pashyami means watching. I am watching from the tree whether lion is coming. Singha means lion. Okay. Now see the next one. Oho, bohu annamasmi. Now telling, oh, here are many fruit grains. Here are many fruit grains. You can see the bundle. Okay. Here are many fruit grains. Now he is telling, Ardhang annang mamasmi. Half of the food grains are mine. Half of the food grains are mine. So he want to the half part of this food grains. He is not doing anything. Then also he want to get the share and half of the share of this food grains. Okay. Now why he will give? He is calling again and again to this crow and he is not coming. He is doing this, that, bahana. And at last when all are ready, he is telling, oh, half is mine. Is it true? Then he will give to him. It is not good that how he can ask. Am I right? So, tadato nayartham Singha samaksham gachatah. Tada means then. To means they too. Nayartham. That means for the judgment. Nayartham means for the judgment. Singha samaksham. That means to the lion, or you can say in front of the lion. Gachatah means went. So tadato nayartham singha samaksham gachatah. That means then both of them went to the lion for the judgment. For what? For Nayartham. Nayartham means judgment. For the judgment, where they went? To the lion or in front of the lion. Okay. Now next see. Last one. Hey Kak. Now lion is telling. Hey Kak. He is giving judgment. Okay. He is the king of the jungle. So he is telling. Hey Kak. Tavo bhagah nasti. Oh crow, you don't have any share. You don't have any share. Is he have any share? What you are thinking? No, na. So lion also telling same things. You don't have any share. Tavo bhagah na asti. Bhagah means share. Okay. Yaha bapati saha eva sami bhavati. Swami means master, or you can say owner. So who is the owner here? Definitely the deer. Am I right? Because deer only did everything for this food grains. So he is only the master or he is only the owner. So yaha bapati. That means one who irrigates, he is the only master. Bapati means irrigates. Okay, he only irrigates. So he is the only master. So हे काकः तब भागः नास्ति यः वपति सः एव स्वामी भवति. O crow, you don't have any share. One who irrigates, he is the only master. So this is the judgment. Okay. So please understand this chapter. Read and understand. Okay.